A cylindrical tube, open end, both the end has fundamental frequency F in air. So we are having a cylindrical tube which is open end, both the end, and the fundamental frequency of cylinder, open end, both the end. What is the formula for fundamental frequency? Fundamental frequency of cylinder, open at both end, open at both end. What is that formula? F is equal to V divided by 2 times length of air column. Let L0 is the length of air column for a cylinder which is open at both the ends. So V divided by 2 times L0. V divided by 2 times L0. So fundamental frequency of pipe which is open at both the end has fundamental frequency F is equal to V upon 2 times L0, where L0 is length of air column for pipe open at both the end. Now see what given. What is given? When tube is dipped vertically in water, this tube is dipped vertically in water so that 1/3 part of tube is in water. So suppose here this is the 1/3 part of tube, and when this 1/3 part of tube, it is dipped vertically in water. It is dipped vertically in water. Then what happens? This tube gets converted into what? A tube which is open at one end and closed at other end. So when tube is dipped vertically in a water, now we will have a tube closed at one end and open at other end. Tube closed at one end and open at what? Other end. Now when 1/3 part of tube is, when 1/3 of L0, when 1/3 part of tube is in water, then what is the length of air column that is left for closed tube? Length of air column, length of air column, length of air column for closed tube, for closed tube. See here, total length of tube is L0. Out of L0, 1/3 part is deep in water. Means what is the length of air column which is left for closed tube? Length of air column left for closed tube, it is 2/3 of L0. Means LC is equal to 2/3 of L0, because 1/3 of L0 is deep in a water. So 1/3 of L0 plus 2/3 of L0 is equal to L0, is equal to what? L0. Now what is the fundamental frequency of air column for a tube closed at one end? Fundamental frequency of air column, see here, fundamental frequency of air column for a tube which is closed at one end, we know that formula, it is equal to V divided by, for tube closed at one end, it is 4 times LC, 4 times LC, that is equal to V divided by 4 into, what is LC? It is 2 by 3 times L0, or it is equal to 3 by 8 V divided by L0, 3 by 8 V divided by L0, 3 by 8 V divided by L0, or you can write this FC is equal to 3 divided by 4 into V divided by 2 times L0, 3 divided by 4, because 4 into 2 is 8. But what is V divided by 2 times L0? V divided by 2 times L0, it is fundamental frequency of pipe open at both the ends. So it is equal to 3/4 of that fundamental frequency of pipe open at both the ends. So the fundamental frequency of a closed pipe is equal to 3/4 of fundamental frequency of pipe open at both the ends. So out of 4 options, option C is the correct option for this question.